This is B-Boy Spy. He lives in Saigon and he has also been dancing for many years, but the Vietnamese scene is quite, if you don't travel abroad, it's quite isolated.
Yeah.
So he wants to know and understand more about your foundations, like in Finland or the part where you live, to understand it and incorporate it more in his own style, and also to share with other B-boys in Vietnam.
Okay. But once you're here, it's always good to speak with people, take everybody's workshops if possible. What can you say? Traveling is the #1 teacher for B-boys. So we didn't have a scene in Finland when I started, so we had to go outside the country in order to learn from the best. So little by little we raised money and traveled to Sweden first and Norway, and after that further and further and further. And every time we travel we of course ask a lot of questions, so that way we go back home and feel inspired to train more.
Thì ông chị là quan trọng nhất nha, thì